In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Whiteboard. So to get started, go ahead and open the Microsoft Whiteboard website. And then from here, click on this open whiteboard button to open it. So you need to sign in to your Outlook account to be able to open Microsoft Whiteboard. And then from here, click on new whiteboard to create a new whiteboard on your Microsoft Whiteboard. And then from here, you'll be able to select in between the templates that you can find in here. So as you can see, there are filters that you can use to browse that specific templates type that you want to use for your whiteboard. So click on it to preview it, and then click on this use this template button to add this to your whiteboard. So as you can see, you can select where you want to place the template. So by clicking on this hand icon, you can go ahead and move around your whiteboard. By clicking on the select button, you can go ahead and select items on your whiteboard. So you can also write on notes on your whiteboard by simply clicking on that pen icon above that specific note where you want to write. So you can go ahead and add the descriptions that you need to add for each of the notes. So you need to simply type it in here, and then you can also add more notes or use a free pen, which you can find in here, which means you can draw freely on your whiteboard. So you can use this to link or connect notes, and then you can also use a highlighter as you have an highlighter in here. You can also erase it by clicking on this partial eraser and then using it to remove the lines that you've just created. Now, if you want to add more notes, you can go ahead and click on this note icon beside the pen icon to be able to add more notes into your whiteboard. So as you can see, you can select between these colors that you have in here and then click on the area where you want to add it. Now, once you click on this heart icon, you can go ahead and select in between here the emojis that you want to add to your whiteboard. By clicking on text, you can go ahead and add text area on your whiteboard. You can also add a new template if you want to. Now you can also share this and allow others to collaborate with you on Whiteboard by clicking on share at the top right of your screen and enabling share link. And then once you have copied the link, go ahead and send it to that individual to whom you want to work with on Microsoft Whiteboard. And that is how you can basically use Microsoft Whiteboard. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.